everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create an email signature on Outlook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, you're gonna go ahead, access your Outlook on your mobile phone, and once you have done so, make sure you're logged in as well. Afterwards, you're gonna go ahead, see this kind of interface right with all of the mails here in the inbox area. Then you're gonna go ahead, tap on at this profile icon that will be top left corner, tap on it. Now go ahead, go below and tap on at the settings icon given over here. Now this will show this kind of settings for your Outlook, right? Go ahead, scroll down, and you can find this option called signature right here in this email section. Go ahead, tap on it, and you can see we do have a Outlook for Android signature right here. We can go ahead and delete this, and we can create a signature for us, anything. And we're gonna go ahead, tap on this check mark that is given on top right corner, and now you can see we have changed our signature to this right here. You're gonna go back, and that will be it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.